Industry drives commerce and creates jobs, and in doing so, drives economies around the world, including our own. Many industries call for massive amounts of heat and electrical power, but there are high environmental costs attached to meeting these needs, as processes output significant carbon dioxide emissions, and CO2 is a known greenhouse gas. Around the world, industry is working toward reducing emissions and utilizing renewable sources of energy as part of the transition to a low-carbon future. Processes that incorporate carbon capture, utilization, and storage have emerged as ways to reduce the impact of industry. Natural Resources Canada's CanMet Energy Ottawa leads the development of energy science and technology solutions for the environmental and economic benefit of Canadians. We specialize in carbon capture, utilization, and storage technologies, leading the effort to deal effectively with CO2 and even derive benefits from it, while generating clean heated power for industry and for consumers. We've developed a combustion process that creates low-cost energy with very low environmental impact. The technology is known as oxy-pressurized fluidized bed combustion, or OXY-PFBC. OXY-PFBC is an innovative carbon capture, utilization, and storage technology that efficiently uses conventional fossil fuels, resulting in lowered environmental impact. Here's how it works. Different fuels are treated and combined, then fed into a combustion system. In the combustor, fuel and oxygen are combined, releasing heat which can be used for industrial applications or power generation. A series of sub-processes use heat exchangers, condensers, cyclones, and other technologies to scrub away nitrogen, sulfur, and other pollutants, and divert CO2 which can be used in other processes or sequestered. This revolutionary process produces heat and power with near zero emissions. At CanMet Energy, we're interested in a variety of fuels. OXY-PFBC can integrate alternative fuels like biomass. Biomass fuels, often derived from forestry waste products, are readily available and renewable. When used in a conventional combustion process, biomass fuels are low-carbon or zero-carbon fuel because the CO2 released during their combustion is the same CO2 that was removed from the atmosphere by the trees. When sustainable biomass is used in CanMet Energy's OXY-PFBC technology, the CO2 generated from the process is either sequestered or turned back into useful products. This innovation allows us to go from low carbon to negative carbon, with CO2 pulled out of the atmosphere permanently. The research we do in our Ottawa lab on oxy-pressurized fluidized bed combustion is of significant interest to Canadian and international business, academia, and government collaborators. We are focused on moving environmental science and engineering forward, with special attention to developing technologies that allow combustion systems to react quickly and intelligently to the demands of society and the variability of other renewable energy resources like wind and solar. The OXY-PFBC system provides clean sources of heat and power with high efficiency and reliability, yielding these important benefits: lower or even negative CO2 emissions, minimal water consumption and usable water as a byproduct, potential to use alternative fuels like biomass. Oxy-pressurized fluidized bed combustion from CanMet Energy, low-cost clean heat and power with minimal environmental impact. An innovative, resourceful, intelligent way to help transition to the low-carbon future that is critical to the planet's survival. Find out more here.
If you like this video, let us know with a thumbs up. Click on the logo below to subscribe to the Simply Science channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos.